How to use egg treatment for natural hair. First method. Beat 1 or 2 eggs together. Then, apply the eggs to the scalp and damp hair and leave it on the scalp for about 30 minutes. Later, wash hair thoroughly with warm water and mild shampoo. Second method. Mix egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of water. Then, apply the mixture to the scalp and dry hair, and leave for 15 minutes. Later, rinse out with warm water and a mild shampoo. Eggs are high in protein, which is essential for the body to build strong, thick hair. When used regularly, once or twice a week for several weeks, an egg treatment may help thicken and strengthen a person's hair. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.